Hello and welcome to this video for the 6th of May for Foundation Maths. So without much delay, let's get started. So first one, 3 paintings cost £186. How much do 5 cost? So we need to find the cost of 1 first. So we do 186 divided by 3. So I'm going to the 3 into 1 does not go. So 3 into 18 goes 6 times, and 3 into 6 goes twice. So one painting is going to cost £62, and I want to find the cost of 5 of them. So I'm going to do 62 times by 5. 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So I get £310. Question number 2, the area of a parallelogram. So a parallelogram is base times by perpendicular height, and the perpendicular height is the one which forms a right angle with the base when placed directly upright. So on this occasion the base is 11.2 and the perpendicular height is 5.2. Now we're going to do this without a calculator just to practice. Of course this could come up on a calculator paper still and still be worth a 2-mark question. But I'm going to change this to 112 and I'm going to change this into 52, and then we'll make a little note to put these decimal points or decimal places back in. So 112 times by 52. So let's do this maths now. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. I'm now multiplying by a 10, so I'll put a 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 is 6, and 5 times 1 is 5. So overall I get a 4 at the end, a 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, and a 5. Now I need to put my decimal point back in, so I start at the end and I go 1, 2 places back, and that's going to be centimetres squared because it was an area. Question number 3 is a BIDMAS question, so I'm going to write the word BIDMAS to remind myself of which order I do these things in. So first of all, do I have any brackets? Well, no, I do not. Do I have indices? Yes, so I must do that first. So that's 25, the times 2 still comes down, and the 100 minus comes down. So I've dealt with the indices. Is there division? No, there is not. Is there multiplication? Yes, there is. So 50 times 2 is 50. 25 times 2 is 50. And then nothing happened to the 100 or the takeaway. And I'm only left with one thing left, which is a subtraction, which gets me a final answer of 50. Question number 4, is to do with the nth term of a linear sequence, and then finding the 50th term of this sequence by using that nth term. So we see first of all, what is the sequence going up by each time? It's going up by 4, so 4 and 4, so it's going to be 4n. And then we would see to ourselves what number would be before this. So because it's going up by 4 in this direction, it's positive 4 each time. In this direction, it's going to be negative 4 each time. So 9 take away 4 is 5, and that is a positive 5, so it's going to be plus 5. Now using the nth term for this question, I'm going to do 4 lots of 50 plus 5. So 4 lots of 50 is 200. 200 plus 5 is 205. Good. And the very last one, are CD and EF parallel lines? So if these are parallel lines, as we are detecting, then we will then need to see whether these 2 interior angles add to 180. Because if parallel lines are in place, the 2 interior angles will always sum to 180 degrees. So let's just check. So I'm doing 97, not 87, 97, so 83 plus 97. 3 plus that is 10, carry 1. 8, 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 180 degree. Yes, they are, as co-interior angles, which is the name of this C-shaped angle, are 180 degrees. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow. Thank you.